the wig is wigging, okay? This TikTok shop wig is wigging, y'all. Like I said, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel, and we about to get into this wig tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wig tutorials and makeup tutorials, you guys. And don't forget to turn on y'all post notification bell. So the wig that we getting into, y'all, today is from the TikTok shop, and I'm gonna be linking the pictures and everything right here ish, and we just gonna be getting into her. She is a 7x1, I believe, and she's from the TikTok shop. Okay, so she has a band inside of her. She's not the full 13x4, but she does go back. Okay, and she's just like a little Bobby, fluffy Anna, curly hair, nothing much to maintain. So this wig is a super simple, easy, it's supposed to be put on and go friendly wig, but you guys already know about that. I'm gonna glue my wigs down because that's always what I do. When I put it straight on my head like this, I feel like it doesn't really stay put. So, but it is very cute, you guys, and yeah, it's very, very cute. Very cute. I don't know if we're gonna do a side part today or if it's given middle part. So let's get into this tutorial. Before I start, I put some of this main attraction in my hair in my last video. Go check it out. It's basically an updated video. Y'all go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. And this is what I put in my hair. This is the extra strength from the TikTok shop as well. I'll be linking all the pictures, and the links will be in my description. Okay, so let's get in to this wig. So I don't know where a wig cap is at this time, so we're just gonna go in with some jam that I got from the beauty supply store, you guys, and we're just gonna push back our baby hairs right here and really get into this look. Then I'm gonna be using this Lola glue. I said Dola hair glue, and I feel like this hair glue is more thinner than the Ghost Vaughn, y'all. So this, I didn't like this at first. I'm like, why is it so watery and thin? But that's actually a good thing, so that white thick stuff would not be there. So it's safe to get it from Temu. Yes it is. So I'm just gonna get a little stick thingy and a stick like this, and we're just gonna apply the glue to our hairline right where we're putting the wig cap. The wig. Don't put this glue on your hairline because we do not have a cap on. Make sure you put it away from your hairline. So let's talk about really quickly, where did I learn to do wigs? Because I feel like we all need to know. Like, I did not take any class for this. I learned this off the YouTube school. And y'all, you could definitely apply your wig like a pro as well. So I don't even know why I put the glue all the way over there if the wig is not even going all the way over there. Why y'all didn't tell me that? Okay, to clean that off, we're gonna clean it off with this. My son just came in, and you know he likes to touch. Stop it. So we're just gonna clean those off on the corner right here where the glue is not going. Stop. We're just gonna let that dry clear. We're gonna add some makeup on the ends of the hair. So we're gonna be using this from the hair store. Tomorrow he's gonna be in school, y'all. Today he couldn't go, so. I'm gonna mute this. Okay, you guys, so I quickly popped on some contacts from Just for Kira, and y'all know I love their contacts. I'm wearing, I think I'm wearing Asha or Brown, one of those two, you guys. I got two contacts from them, and yeah, thank you so much for sending this over. I think they was expecting an Instagram, but you got a YouTube. So PSA, you guys, I feel like when they say these ready and go wigs, when they put the comb through them and say you can just put this on and go, I feel when they say that, it's not like ready to go, like ready to go, you can just put it on. No, I just feel like they mean that it is bleach, plucked, everything like literally handmade, almost customized for it to be ready to go, if that makes sense. Yeah. So this is another one that I got from the TikTok shop, you guys. And what I did here was just cut that wriggly, crinkly lines they have there. And these wigs are perfect for people like me because I cannot get the plucking down right, you guys. I cannot pluck for nobody, okay? So I feel like this is easier for me to just wash it, install it with my glue, and go. So I hope you guys understand it a little bit more. Yeah, let's get back into this tutorial. Okay, you guys, so let's take this off now and see what is given. Okay, those are some of the baby hairs, and as y'all see, that is like flawless. I like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just make a part. We're gonna go in the bathroom and wet it and come back because I look like I just got shocked by electricity. Okay, so really quickly, I just wanted to come and show you guys the. Okay, so it's kind of hard to flat iron my hair right here, but I just want to show y'all the before, how it is. So this is how you really customize and flatten and make your hair look realistic, you guys, is flattening it out. Get the stick, really slicking it out and just flatten it as much as you can, and look at the difference. Okay, so let's continue.